Alright, so I guess this is the start of the vlog. What's going on, everyone? As y'all see, we in the airport right now. And we about to head to our destination. Where we going? We going to Miami for a quick little day trip. As y'all see by the title video probably already. Yes, I'm headed to a seminar, trader seminar, as y'all know. I'm a Forex trader, day trader. And so yeah, this trader I've been following for really ever since the start of my journey. He's holding a mastermind or seminar type of thing, and I definitely secure my spot. Y'all know I'm gonna secure my spot, especially when it comes to day trading. Yeah, this whole vlog I'm gonna be vlogging. Show y'all what it's like in the airport to Miami to, of course, the event, and also a little recap of the event. So stick around for the full vid. Hope y'all guys enjoy. Peace. All right, so we back. Right now we just waiting for the flight. We supposed to be landing in Miami at 8:45. The event don't start till 11. So literally what I was thinking is just really as soon as I get off the plane, I'm gonna head straight to the doors to the event and just wait until the doors open, basically. And yeah, after the event, well, let's speak on what I'm gonna do while I'm at the event. So when I'm there, like I said, it's a seminar, so of course there's gonna be other traders like myself that's there, and I'm looking to take full advantage of that networking. Of course, I'm looking to network, find some good people, find some people that think like me, and maybe, hopefully, try to build those type of connections, business relationships while I'm there. As far as, my anticipation on talking with Ryan, the person that's running the whole mastermind or the seminar, if I can't get it on recording, I'm gonna try to, but what I really want to try to ask him is just kind of like questions on what it takes to kind of run a community and what it's really like to run a community, to sustain a community, to be a leader of a community. Like really try to get some personalized questions based off of experience on what it takes to really build that trading community that I'm trying to build right now in my current life. So yeah, just some real tough questions, man. I'm really trying to get some stuff answered at this seminar. I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna try to get all the recording I can for y'all. After the seminar, I'm gonna definitely be around just Miami for the rest of the day. Probably hit the beach, probably go shopping. Who knows? But yeah, it's gonna be a good time. And I'll catch y'all once we're landed. All right, everyone. So we are in Miami now. We literally just touched down. And I tell you what, it's hot. I'm definitely feeling in Miami heat already. But the agenda for right now is to get a lift. Like I said, I'm going straight to the event, fresh off the airplane. Right now it's like, I want to say last time I checked the time, it was like 9 o'clock. And the event don't start till 11 o'clock, so I got a couple hours to burn. I just know for sure I'm gonna head around the area, and once I'm around the area, I might get some food. I'm definitely a little hungry. I'm gonna definitely change my clothes. Right now I'm in some long pants and some sneakers, man. I'm about to change into some shorts and slides probably. But yeah, that's the vibe for the right now. I'm about to find me a lift, and we'll see what happens next. Oh yeah, and another thing. I don't know if how many of you guys be traveling or, hop on a plane and all that, but this is a little trick, you feel me? I know a lot of people don't like when their ears be clogged up or feeling like it's just pressure there. The trick behind it is just squeezing your nose and really like act like you blowing your nose. Like I had to help the person I was helping, or I was sitting with today. She was complaining about her ears. I told her a little trick. She was like, I was like, yeah, I got the sauce. But yeah, that's just a little tip, a little traveling tip. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm at my next location. Peace. All right, guys. So there's been a mix-up in the plans for this trip. Um, Basically, right now I'm in the library in Dade County, and like I said, I thought the seminar was gonna be in person, but that joint got moved online, so I'm literally just in Miami. Um, I flew all the way out here to Miami for an online event, which is crazy, right? Right now I'm in the event right now. It's on Zoom. It's about 55 heads in here right now, and they got some good guest speakers talking right now. Um, yes, it's unfortunate that it's not in person, and I can't really make these connections with the people that I wanted to, but I'm definitely still moving at a positive light and still gonna make the most out of this situation for sure. Um, the meeting is just getting started. It's a talker talking right now, so I'm about to listen back in. But this is literally the situation. Um, he was talking about it might be some type of rooftop nighttime party at the end of this session too. So maybe by the end of this video, I can make those type of connections and really have some fun while I'm out here in Miami. So, but yeah, we'll see, and I'll check in back with y'all later. Holy crap! All right, vlog, we're back. We are back, still in the heat, but we feel really good. I'm just getting done the seminar or webinar, it actually was, since it was online. And when I tell you guys the information that was just described by all the amazing traders that were active during the webinar, man, I can't even put into words how empowering and how valuable the information was. Just to touch on what was talked about lightly, as you know, I'm a forex trader, so I deal with currencies, but I learned a lot of information about the stock market, how people that invest in the stocks go about their stock profits, and also how I could use forex to invest in the different markets, such as the stock market or also the crypto market as well. I'm gonna touch more on all this on the video recap. I want to take a moment and just sit down on my vlog later throughout the video and just really recap all my thoughts, so I really get some great information and well-rounded thoughts out to y'all. But that's just a little bit on what we were talking about, along with so many other stuff. But yeah, right now the move is some food. Your boy is hungry. It's some what's it called? Like some Caribbean food. I think it's like a Caribbean or Jamaican spot around the way. I'm about to walk there right now. Some out here with no car, some out here just hiking. But it's cool. We gonna be alright. What the hell they got going? But yeah, I'm gonna get some food. Once I get some food, I'm gonna head to my place where I'm staying for the night. Yeah, maybe I get into something else. We'll see. I'll keep y'all updated though. Peace. All right, vlog. So we made it to the location. It's called Island Tings. Like I said, it's some Caribbean spot. First reaction of the food. Oh, snap. That joint is official. I got some oxtail rice, and mixed veggies. I only had oxtail once before, and it was real good, so I'm about to see what they hitting like. My bed, it's like a mango strawberry mix right here. It's hitting. I've been killing it this whole time. Let's see what these oxtail like for real. Hold on, y'all know I gotta go in 2 times. It's never the official. Honest rating, it's drawing like a 7. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's like a 7. But I'm not gonna lie. As y'all see, I've been hot. I've been a journeyman. And at this point, anything tastes good, so. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna call my Lyft, head to the Airbnb. I need to change, man. Literally, the whole walk to this place was so damn hot. And I tell y'all, my shirt my shirt was wet. It's black, y'all can't see it, but it's Miami Heat different. I'm just over here thinking, like, I'm really just kind of like overviewing what just happened, like, on how like the seminar didn't really like play out the way it was supposed to. That just kind of made me like get a question for y'all, like, are y'all really that passionate about what y'all doing that y'all be doing the stuff I'm doing? And not on no comparison type timing, but literally just, are you that passionate about what you're doing to go to the levels that I'm doing on this trip right now, you know? Like, I feel like this is the only way you're gonna be successful in your craft or whatever you're passionate in. Like, you really gotta be like fully committed. That's what passion is. You know, passion is an intense feeling towards something. So like, that's my question for y'all. Like, whatever it is, whether you're like a hairstylist, barber. I know people going to college. Like, even if about college, like, are y'all that passionate about it to sit there and really go to the heights that most people don't want to go to? And for me, it's like, I look at the situation like, yeah, it didn't pan out the way I was trying, you know, have it set up. But when I tell y'all, it's still value in it. Like, it's no way this is a loss in any type of way. It's nothing but opportunity. It's nothing but experience. And look, we're gonna make the most out of this trip. I swear. I'm not gonna lie. This food kind of hitting too. I'm getting into the juices. This joint hitting. I'm gonna cut y'all when I touch back down though. At the Airbnb, y'all about to see it right now. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Can y'all hear? I hope y'all can hear me. Alright, vlog, we are back and we have touched down at home base for the weekend. I've already been in here chilling. I showered up. Y'all see I'm changed a little bit, and yeah, the plans for the rest of the day. So it's crazy how everything turns out, right? So mind you, we didn't get to do the live seminar and all that, but they did us a service, and the people that are holding the seminar are having some type of nighttime gig, little get together type of network type of just type of situation, basically. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. It's gonna be some type of rooftop vibes. I'm expecting some good things. They talking about it's gonna be podcasts going on, a lot of networking opportunities. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna be from 6 to 10. I'm gonna definitely pop out and see what that's like. Till then, like I said, I just been chilling. I'm about to come in here and show y'all my little room ski for the weekend. Alright, so yeah, like I was saying, we gonna be heading to the rooftop vibe at like 6 o'clock. It's a little bit of the room. It's not my room, it's the living room. Pretty cool though. I'm up in here. Sun little wood. I like the wood. I just really feel like it's inspiring me right now with this wood. Room, bed, little desk, something cool, you feel me? But yeah, like I was saying, vibes all the way switched up. This rooftop party, I'm gonna be wearing this. I got some shorts on, some J's on. Sun calm. I'm not really going there to flex. I'm really just there to go for the same reasons that I tried to come here in the first place, which was to network. And it's not to say I haven't done that already. I mean, yeah, I was doing a little bit of networking, you know, at the event or during the Zoom call, but I mean, like, you know, it's nothing like those face-to-face interactions. So definitely looking forward to that. Definitely looking forward to the vibes. It's saying it's gonna be on a rooftop, so I ain't never been on a rooftop, so we gonna see what that's like. That's probably gonna be fire. I know it's gonna be fire. All right, and since, you know, I already been through the webinar, and I'm about to, this is kind of like part one right here. It's like I already did part one of my trip. Now I'm about to move on to part two, which is about to be this whole rooftop thing I'm talking about. I just thought I might as well sit here and tell you guys a little bit of the notes I took during the live Zoom session. You know, I had some time to think about it, and I just thought, wow, we might as well just do this part one, get y'all some information and all of that. So yeah, we're gonna jump straight into it. Like I said, man, this Zoom session, it's like it's based on the financial markets basically, and it's really based on investing. It don't have to be Forex. It could be anything, you know. It's just literally everything. All these notifications are popping on my phone, but it's literally just financial literacy as a whole and investing as a whole. So some key points and key messages I highlighted was that not only do the rich invest their money, investing is a thing where it's like not only people with billions of dollars do and are doing right now in this world. Like, you can have a couple $100 and still put a couple dollars into some type of investing portfolio, whether that's a crypto portfolio or a stock portfolio. You know, you can still invest even with a couple $100. Also, that most of the people that were rich or are rich currently did not get raised from wealth. Basically, they accumulated their wealth through investing their money and watching those investments stack and grow interest and all that through time, basically. But what's his name? His name is I Snipe Wicks on Instagram. He kicked it off for us with a banger. He started talking about ETFs, and basically what ETFs are is, what I take it as, it's kind of like stocks. It's just buying a stock, buying and holding a stock. And it could be something like XPX 500. We were talking about that all Zoom basically. If you don't know what XPX 500 is, it's basically an index, and it's basically the combination total of the top 500 companies that hold a stock. There's also things called US 30, which is a combination price of the top 30 stocks. And then there is NAS 100, which is a combination price of the top 100 stocks. So those three things right there, SPX, NAS, and US 30 is a combination price of the top 30, 100, and 500 stocks, right? And within those stocks, like, you can buy and hold basically. So, and like I was saying before my camera had cut out, those three things, those three indexes, they're called indices, are basically, they basically tell you how well the stock market is performing at any given time. You know, you can take a quick glance at that, or those three things, and get a better understanding of how the market is performing. Now, when it comes to individual stocks to invest within, he told us that Vanguard is essentially the holy grail of stocks, basically. I mean, he showed us the chart behind it. It wasn't just word of mouth. He showed us the chart behind it, And I can confirm that just by looking at it, it's on a steady uptrend, and that for years and years and years, it's been on a steady uptrend. And the way he was describing how we invest into this stock is basically, for one, it's an app called Stash. That's how you invest into the SPX 500, and you just buy and hold it, literally. And when you're buying it, you're doing reoccurring buys. So it's not like you're just buying $100 worth of Vanguard at one time. No, you could do $20 a week. You can do $5 a week. You can do $1 a week. But as long as you're doing reoccurring buys and continuously adding to your overall portfolio, you should see a return on your investment within X amount of years. You know, I'm not here to say how long that's going to take, but based off the historical data, that is literally what's happening. Moving on. Oh, okay. So this is another point he had brought up that was really interesting. I don't know if I said in this video already, but I mentioned on how I learned that I can use my profits from my Forex to invest into stocks and stuff, right? And usually what I was doing before that, I would say if I made profit in the market and I withdraw the money, I would literally put the money into my bank account and it's just sitting in my bank account, not making no type of extra money or no type of real interest on it, right? Now, what I learned is I can take that profit and invest it into the stock market or the crypto market and basically accumulate wealth from there. You gotta think, like, when the money is sitting in the bank, it's not really moving. The interest rates are so low, like you're not really seeing your money move while it's in the bank. It's real stagnant. But if you put it into a stock like Vanguard or even invest into recurring payments on Bitcoin, you allow your money to sit there and be, it just has the ability to be able to see capital gains throughout time and just throughout literally just you holding it within an account. I thought that was real interesting because literally, like I said, when I make my withdrawals, it goes into my bank and the money is just there dead at that point. But yeah, and the last point, well, a couple more last points. I'm sorry. I know this whole recap is a little long, but it's really informational, and this is part one of information. So when it comes to Bitcoin, it's a little more the same thing as far as with the Vanguard stock. You just buy and hold, like I said, do recurring buys. Bitcoin is well bullish right now. If you look at the actual chart of Bitcoin on the yearly time frame, it has been making it's two significant higher low points, areas of support that it has found, and overall it's still very well bullish. So buying Bitcoin is still not a bad thing on this current day of time in 2024. Altcoins, if you know anything about altcoins are the coins that are really compared to Bitcoin. So altcoins can be like Dogecoin, all those other coins that is not the head dog like Bitcoin. He gave us a recommendation of altcoin that I'm probably gonna invest in my dang self. It's called GRT USD. GRT USD is an altcoin. He was showing us the chart on the weekly time frame, and on this current day, it's at a low. Like it's at a point where if you sit there and buy now and you hold it for 3 years, he was basically saying that we could see a $300 to $400 return, or not dollar, percent return on our investment, just based on how the fair value gaps is what he uses are spread amongst each other. That's the type of profit you can see. So yeah, I'm definitely investing into that. I'm gonna do some real small recurring buys, like maybe like $5 every week or something, just to kind of get started. And yeah, the last bit of information during the Zoom was just about Forex, which is stuff I could tell y'all guys off the top of my brain. So literally, we were talking about GJ, and his name was CEO. I don't know. I'm gonna put his tag right here somewhere. But he's a GJ trader like me, or was in the past. And he was just emphasizing the point on how important it is to stick to one pair during one session. Literally that. And the reason behind that was because in the past, he had dipped and dabbled in multiple currencies, trading multiple currency pairs during multiple sessions, literally staying glued to the chart. And based off his experience and also my experience too, I can say that that's not really something that you could really benefit off of, because I refer to it like a girl, you know, like if you're dealing with girls, like if you're dealing with multiple women at one time, it's hard to really really hone in on one and really better understand one female compared to dealing with, you feel me? So yeah, you could apply that same logic to the charts. Like if you stick to one currency pair and trading at the same time every day, the chemistry is going to build like crazy. That's a really important lesson right there for y'all to take. Also, risk management. I do this as well. It's crazy he does it too. He's a GJ trader. It's crazy how GJ traders think exactly alike. But when it comes to risk to reward, 1 to 3 risk to rewards all the time. Meaning, if you are risking $10, you better see a profit of $30. If you are risking $5, you better see a profit of $15 every time. That's basic risk to reward. It will always keep you in the green as long as you're winning some trades throughout the week. And the third thing, it just kind of was talking about how you trade your live account, how much percentage of your overall trading account you should risk at one time. It should never be no more than 3 to 5% of your overall Forex account that you are risking at one time. And something that he told me that I'm going to apply within my own live trading is setting my stop loss to break even once I am in profit, about 15 pips. So say if I'm up 15 pips, I'm gonna sit there and move my stop loss to my entry point so that if price does come back down to my original entry, I'm break even. And I didn't lose no money, and it's just a break even trade. That's a win-win to me. That's definitely something I've heard in the past, never really implemented it. But hearing it from a seasoned trader and a successful trader, it's definitely gonna make me want to do that even more. Sheesh, I'm tired. All right, I'm back. My bad, I had to catch my breath. But moving on, I wasn't gonna say much else. I was just gonna wrap up this video. This is the end of part 1 of my Miami vlog. And yeah, if y'all have enjoyed part 1 so far, leave me a like, share the video as well. Like, I'm out here networking, right? And social media is designed for networking. Like, a simple share is real easy and it goes a long way. So please share the video, like the video, and subscribe. And be on the lookout for part 2. It's definitely coming real soon. And yeah, I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my time in Miami. Catch you on the next one. Be safe. Peace.